Jai Hind, my dear students. So today my topic is the next topic is longitude. Okay. So in my previous video I have told you about latitude, its definition, its features of latitude, and some important lines of latitude. Okay. So in this video I will tell you about longitude, its features, and some important lines of longitude. Okay. So what are longitudes? Longitudes are imaginary lines which are drawn from north to south. Okay, so let's have a definition of longitude. First of all, longitudes. What are longitudes? Longitudes are imaginary lines. Imaginary line drawn from north to south on the surface of the earth. Okay, so it is an imaginary line that is drawn from north to south on the surface of the earth. Okay, for example, if this is our earth, so we will draw longitude from north. Okay. So these are the longitudes. Now, longitude, the earth is divided by two equal hemispheres. That is, we call eastern hemisphere. And then we have western hemisphere. Okay, western hemisphere. Now, which line? There is a line which divides the earth into two equal hemispheres. That is, we call meridian, prime meridian line, which passes through the center of the earth. Okay, so this line, we call this line as prime meridian line. Okay, it divides the earth into two equal hemispheres, that is eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. Okay, and if you see these longitudes, they are just like an orange. I mean, the earth looks like just an orange. Okay, जैसे हम ऑरेंज का छिलका उतारते हैं, then we see that ऑरेंज के अलग अलग स्लाइसेस होते हैं. तो सेम वे हमें यहाँ पे ऐसे पता चलता है जैसे इन लॉन्गिट्यूड्स की वजह से कि हमारी अर्थ जो है वो एक स्लाइस के तौर पे अलग अलग डिवाइड है. ओके, एंड दीज लॉन्गिट्यूड्स आर इक्वली डिवाइडेड. ओके, नाउ we will learn about features of longitude. So now my dear students, we will learn about features of longitude. Okay, generally there are more features of longitude, but I will tell you only some important features. Okay, which I think so for 5th class it is sufficient. So first feature is longitude mark the distance of a place. Okay, it marks the distance of a place east or west of the prime meridian. Okay, suppose that, for example, this is the earth and this is the PM, means not prime minister. Okay, it's prime meridian. Okay, so it calculates the this is saying its distance of a place. Okay, सो लाइक फ्रॉम हेयर, मतलब हम यहाँ से अगर अपना प्लेस देखना है तो हम ईस्ट से वेस्ट की तरफ में देखेंगे, ठीक है, लाइक दिस. So that is why it is saying that it mark the distance of a place east or west of the prime meridian. अगर हम suppose that हमारा अर्थ जो है वो इस प्राइम मेरिडियन पे है तो हम कहेंगे कि that our India is located at the eastward of the earth, okay, of the or you can say longitude, okay. So मतलब इस तरीके से ये हमें बताएगा, ठीक है, हमारी प्लेस. Then second thing they are saying they are numbered from the prime meridian, that is at the angle of 0 degree, ठीक है. मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया है जो प्राइम मेरिडियन है it passes through the earth and it's divide the earth into two equal hemisphere, eastern hemisphere, western hemisphere. So that is why बोल रहे हैं कि इस प्राइम मेरिडियन से ही हम अपनी प्लेस को लोकेट कर सकते हैं कि हम ईस्ट साइड में है लॉन्गिट्यूड के या वेस्ट साइड में है, ओके. देन इट इज सेइंग द मेरिडियंस आर इक्वल इन लेंथ, okay. If you see that each meridians, each line longitude is divides the earth into equal part, okay. इन दोनों का बीच का जो गैप है ये इक्वल होगा, इसके इक्वल होगा, ये इसके इक्वल होगा, ये इसके इक्वल होगा, तो हर एक लॉन्गिट्यूड जो है इक्वल होगा एंड दे विल फॉर्म सेमी सर्कल, सेमी सर्कल बनाएंगे, ठीक है. Then total overall we have 360 longitude, okay, 180 degree east and 180 degree north. West, okay. So these are the 4 important features of longitude. Now we will learn about important. The next topic is important lines of longitude, okay. Now we have 2 important lines of longitude, okay, that is G and T, or you can say prime meridian, okay. Now the full form of G and T is Greenwich Mean Time, okay, and second is IDL, okay. Now meaning full form International Date Line, okay. So these are the 2 important lines of longitude, okay. Now I will explain you these things here. For example, this is our earth, okay. As I have already told you that this is the PM, prime meridian, which is at the angle of 0 degree, okay. Now this prime meridian passes through a place called Greenwich. It is in United Kingdom, okay. It passes through the Greenwich, that is why we have named it as the Greenwich Mean Time, okay. So it helps in calculating the local time, or you can say it helps in calculating the time at all other places of the earth. What this line helps in? It helps in calculating time on this earth, this prime, okay, prime meridian, or you can say Greenwich. We have named it as Greenwich because it passes through a place in United Kingdom, that is Greenwich. That is why it's named as Greenwich. Now the second line is International Date Line, okay. Now this international date line is is roughly drawn on the surface of the earth. Okay, it is just like roughly drawn on the surface of the earth. IDL, International Date Line. Now, what importance of this international date line is? First of all, it is roughly drawn on the surface of the earth, flows the angle of 180° longitude. Okay, and this line marks the place where the calendar date change from one date to another date. Okay, so it marks the change in the dates. Okay, for example, if I will say that it is 20 October in East, okay, so how it will change the time date in West? इस इंटरनेशनल डेट लाइन के बाद मतलब इस एरिया पे हमारा वेस्ट आ जाता है. एज प्राइम मेरिडियन लाइंस डिवाइड्स द अर्थ इनटू 2 इक्वल हेमिस्फीयर, तो दिस साइड विल बी वेस्ट. ओके, तो अगर ईस्ट में हमारा 20 अक्टूबर है तो वेस्ट में हमारा क्या हो जाएगा 21 अक्टूबर. ओके, सो दिस इज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ दिस इंटरनेशनल डेट लाइन. इट इज रफली ड्रॉन and it places the calendar date from one date to the next date. Okay, so these are some of the important lines of longitude. I hope you understood it. GMT and IDL. Okay, and features of longitude. So here I conclude my chapter. Okay, and I will meet you in my next video, and for time being please look into